Hello my friends, in this session we are going to discuss conditions and ifs in little more detail. Let's draw the flowchart and let's ask for the temperature. So input, we'll ask the value, store that value in the variable temp, and then we will check. The condition is if temp is greater than, for example, 30, and if the condition is true. So we are telling him that Mr. Computer, ask the value from the user. For example, user has entered a value 50. It will check this condition and the condition is true. So if it is true, it will come here and it will execute this instruction and it will print hot. This is the output, so it must be in the parallelogram. Now my friends, what we want to do, we want to tell him that if the condition is false, then what it should do. In the previous examples, we didn't tell him that if the condition is false, what it should do. So now we are telling him that, okay, if this condition is false, if this is false, then come to left hand side and execute this instruction and it should print cooled on the screen. And this is the output, so it should go to the parallelogram. And then let's end the flowchart. So now my friends, the value of temp is 50. It will check this condition. Is this condition true? It will pick up the value of temp, that is 50. Is 50 greater than 30? So yes, condition is true. So if it is true, so I'm asking him go to the, because it is true, so go to this side and execute this line. So it will print hot on the screen and then just follow the arrows and it will go towards the end. So for example, the user has entered 5. So now it will check the condition. Is this condition true? So it will check the condition. Is the value of temp greater than 30? It will pick up the value of temp, which is 5, and it will compare 5 with 30. So is this condition true? No, it is not true. It is false. So in this flow chart, we have told him that if the condition is false, see, it is false. So go to that direction. It will come here. It will execute this line and it will print cold on the screen and it will go towards the end. So instead of writing two conditions, we can control that thing with one condition. And we are telling him that if the condition is true, go to the right hand side, and if the condition is false, go to the left hand side. In our last examples, which we did in earlier sessions, we never told him that if the condition is false, what it should do. We always said that the condition is true, do this thing, otherwise straight away go to the next line. But here we are telling him that if this condition is true, go to that line, go to that instruction to the right hand side here, and if the condition is false, then do this thing. My friends, thank you very much.